Today we will see HCF basics. Under that, we will see what is prime factorization and how to find prime factorization. First, let us see what is prime factorization. Prime factorization is the method of expressing a natural number greater than 1 as the unique product of prime numbers. Got it? Example: 18 can be expressed as the unique product of prime numbers 2, 3 and 3. So, prime factorization of 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Got it? This can also be written as 2 multiplied by 3 square. Got it? Remember, only natural numbers greater than 1 can be prime factorized. Now, let us move on to how to find prime factorization of a number by short division method. Before solving the problem, please go through the rules. Let us apply these rules to find prime factorization of 18. Step 1. Try dividing 18 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 18 exactly, we get 9. Got it? Again, try dividing 9 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide 9 exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides 9 exactly, we get 3. Observe here, if the number is prime, divide it by itself because it has only one prime factor. In this case, 3 is prime. So, divide it by 3 itself. Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1. Got it? As per the rule, please stop here since 1 is reached. Finally, collect all the prime divisors or prime factors. In this case, they are 2, 3 and 3. So, 18 can be expressed as the unique product of prime numbers 2, 3 and 3. Therefore, prime factorization of 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Got it? For more details on prime factorization and tricky questions, on prime factorization, please watch the below playlist. Also, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.